Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to destination for all things beauty. Today, we're diving into a truly innovative product, the Wonderskin Wonder Blading Lip Stain Peel Off and Reveal Kit in the shade Adore. If you've ever been on the hunt for a long-lasting, transfer-proof, water-resistant lip stain that delivers a natural yet captivating look, you're in the right place. This lip stain isn't your average tint. The Wonder Blading Peel and Reveal Kit is designed to offer vibrant, smudge-proof color that lasts for hours. Thanks to Wonderskin's patented liquid blading technology, the pigments actually infuse into the top layer of your lips, sealing in color without feathering or fading. The result? A beautiful, peachy rose hue that's perfect for everyday wear and glamorous enough for evening outings. What's more, the product is water-resistant and even mask-proof, making it a top contender for long days when you want your lip color to stay put, no matter what. When it comes to using this lip stain, the process couldn't be easier. The kit comes with a two-step system, the stain itself and an activator. First, you apply the lip stain, allow it to dry, then peel it off to reveal a flawless tint. The final step, using the activator, enhances the intensity of the color and locks it in for up to 10 hours of wear. Personally, I found the application process simple and straightforward, though it does take a bit of patience for the peel-off stage. However, the payoff is totally worth it. In terms of performance, I tested this product in various real-world scenarios: eating, drinking, even wearing a mask. The Wonderskin Wonder Blading Lip Stain stayed in place every time, proving it's truly transfer-proof and smudge-proof. Unlike traditional lipsticks that fade throughout the day, this lip stain holds its color beautifully. I also love how lightweight it feels, so you don't have to worry about it being sticky or uncomfortable. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro is undoubtedly the longevity and staying power of this lip stain. It's perfect for those who don't want to constantly reapply their lip color throughout the day. The peel-off method adds a fun, unique touch to the experience as well. On the downside, the two-step process might feel a bit much if you're in a hurry. But if you're after a stain that lasts for hours, it's a small price to pay. When compared to other lip stains on the market, this one truly stands out. Unlike some lip stains that tend to dry out the lips, the Wonder Blading Kit doesn't leave your lips feeling parched. It's also superior in terms of transfer-proof wear. Cheaper alternatives might get the job done for a few hours but tend to fade or feather, especially after eating or drinking. If you're finding this review helpful so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more beauty tips and product reviews from Beautyistic. Now, let's discuss the value for money. At first glance, the price might seem higher than your typical lip stain, but considering its durability, waterproof formula, and the fact that it stays in place all day, it's definitely worth the investment. The shade selection is another bonus. Whether you're into bold reds, soft pinks, or neutral nudes, Wonderskin has a shade for everyone. The build quality of the kit is impressive too. The components are well made, the applicator allows for precise application, and the packaging feels sturdy. Plus, the stain itself doesn't dry out in the tube like some others tend to. As far as user-friendliness goes, the product is pretty intuitive. The only learning curve is waiting the proper amount of time before peeling off the stain, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. I didn't personally need customer support, but based on feedback I've seen, the company is known for being responsive and helpful. In conclusion, the Wonderskin Wonder Blading Lip Stain Peel Off and Reveal Kit is a game changer. It delivers on its promises of long-lasting, transfer-proof wear, and its unique peel-off method makes for a fun application experience. If you're someone who values lip color that lasts without constant touch-ups, this product is a must-try. Thanks so much for watching this review. You'll find the link to purchase the Wonderskin Wonder Blading Lip Stain in the description below, so feel free to check it out. And, as always, if you have any questions or if you've already tried it, leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video.